This is Michelle Knight from michelleknight.com, and this is the astrological update for Virgo for the week starting the 9th of May. Now this week you might feel as if somebody's trying to back you into a corner. They want answers and they want them now. And you want depth and you want understanding and you want to go deep within before you come up with an answer. It could be someone at work saying, okay, are you going to make a decision on what you want to do? What's your next step? What are you doing about this situation? And you're like, oh God, can you just slow it down a bit? You want a little bit of time to be. Now that's great, but express it. There's another part of you that's feeling a little bit secretive, like you want to keep everything in this week. You might be having conversations that are very deep and intense, but you don't feel ready to share that information yet. Now this is great, as long as you balance up the two things. It's no point saying to someone who's pushing at you at work to make a decision, any old decision that comes off the top of your head just to shut them up. It's important that you make the right decision for you. Now this could be in any area of your life. It could be to do with friendships. It could be to do with going on a trip. But whatever it is, you're right. You need time to stop and think and be. But also you need time to actually make it clear to other people that you haven't made a decision rather than kind of trying to avoid the issue. There's someone in your life at the moment that's very, very talkative and maybe is talking a lot about a lot of different subjects, and it could be that you need a little bit of space, or you need to say to them, why don't we slow it down and talk a bit slower? And then you should feel better in yourself. You've actually probably got more time than you realise to make a decision, but that doesn't mean that you need to hold back. It's a time for you to go deep within yourself, to examine all the options, and to be aware that Mercury, Venus and Jupiter are all kind of shining on your 8th house, which is all about secrets and intensity and sensuality. So there could be a part of you that wants to experience something really kind of naughty or sensual or kind of private that you don't want anyone to know, and you may feel that you're not getting enough space to do that. As long as you're deep within your soul, you're honest with yourself and you're exploring the deepest parts of who you are, everything should be fine, as long as you're not allowing yourself to be pushed into a corner or taking on making a decision, particularly around your career, that you're not ready to make. You are love. It's an exciting week. It's full of mystery and magic and little twists and turns which give you sensual delights and opportunities to be a bit naughty. You know, as long as you're true to your soul, all is well, and you should have quite an interesting, fascinating time. Take care, and I'll speak to you soon.